Okay, on this problem, it's talking about a carpenter building a rectangular room with a fixed perimeter of 296 feet. What dimensions would yield the maximum area? What is the maximum area? Okay, so he has a rectangular room, and it's so we have a length and a width, and the perimeter, we know the formula for perimeter is 2L plus 2W, and it is equal to 296 feet. Now we want to maximize area, where area is equal to length times width. So what you do is you have two equations, and you want to solve this first equation for either the length or the width. So if you do that, you'll see that the length is equal to 296 minus 2W, and then of course divided by 2, because I subtract the 2W and then I divide by 2. And so I can actually simplify that. 296 divides, 2 goes into 296. Let's see, that would be 148 minus 2W divided by 2 is just W. Okay, so this value, 148 minus W, will be what I will replace in for the length in the area equation. Now, let me do that then. So, sorry. Okay, so the area will be equal to 148 minus W times W, which is 148W minus W squared. So this is a quadratic, and the A is the coefficient in front of the square term, which is -1. And when you have an A that's negative, you know that your parabola or your quadratic function, whose graph is a parabola, will open down. And so the vertex will be the maximum. The vertex is a maximum. And so we have a formula to find the vertex. It's x equals -b over 2 times a. And so here our b is the coefficient in front of just the linear term, just the w. So that's going to be -148 divided by 2 times a, and a is -1, so 2 times -1. So you're going to get 74, right? Because that's 74, yeah. So that is what the maximum dimension. And interestingly, you learn that a square maximizes area. A square is the rectangle with maximum area. And so, because if you plug in 74 into this equation, you'll get L is equal to 148 minus 74, which is just 74. So the dimensions that maximize this will be 74. So you can do 74. And then the width will also be 74. And then we have to figure out what 74 squared is. I'm going to need a little calculator. So we'll do 74 times 74. We get 5,476. And we can check that answer. And there you go. I hope that helps.